Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. First I will create this circular part. Outer dia is R24, inner dia is dia 31.5, height is 45 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the updates. Select extrude, select the top plane, create two circles, give the dimensions 48 mm, outer dia, inner dia is 31.5 mm. So finish sketch, extrude up to 45 mm. So Ctrl 7 for ISO view. Next I will create this part. For that select the plane, sketch, create one circle first, create two circles, give the dimensions, outer dia is 30 and inner dia is 12 mm. Pitch from here to here 90 mm. Give the vertical constraint here. So sketch is fully constrained. Now select the line, create sketch like this. Same opposite side also, or create one center line and mirror it. First give the dimension here to here 12 mm. Next select three lines, do the mirror about center axis. Now select the trim entities, trim the unwanted lines. So that's it, sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch, extrude, so here actually offset is there from the plane 3 mm offset. Next the length is 20 mm. Okay. Next select the same plane, sketch, create line, so here convert entities, select this and this. Okay. Now give the constraints, this and this, give the tangent constraint, same both side also tangent constraint. So trim the unwanted lines, finish sketch. Next select extrude, here 10 mm offset is there, length is thickness is 6 mm. Okay. Next select the right plane, sketch, create one line here. Okay. So finish sketch, select the rib, reverse the direction, thickness is 10 mm. Okay. So thickness is 10 mm. Okay. Next there is another flange that thickness is 25 mm. So center of the object and 22 mm. For that select the same top plane, sketch, create one rectangle first, give the dimensions. This is 22. From the center 11 mm. From the center dimension is 47 mm. Next select here convert entities, select this circle. Okay. Trim entities, trim this unwanted lines. So finish sketch, select extrude. So here there is a 10 mm offset. Next length is 25 mm. Next select the fillet, give the dimension 12.5 mm. Next there is a one cutout. For that select this surface, sketch, 3 mm cutout. Give the dimensions. Three, one 1.5. So finish sketch, select extruded cut. Here we can select up to next. Okay. Control 7 for the ISO view. So now you can compare with the drawing. If anything is missing, please leave the comment below. So now we can assign the material. Go to appearances. I will go with metal. In the metal I will go with aluminum. In the aluminum, polish is polished aluminum. So here go to edit appearances, select the color as per your requirements. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope you enjoyed this session. Friends, here there is a one hole is missing. So hole diameter is 12 mm. Select circle, create 12 circle. So finish sketch, extrude cut. Here select up to next, or select through hole. Okay. Control 7. So now all the features are completed. So thanks for watching this session, friends. We'll see you in the next session.